Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter Wilds error code R1152-TAD-W79T-10001. The error reads, "Unable to connect to server." This error comes when players try to launch the game after a crash. Many users shared that after experimenting with cheats or facing an unexpected crash, they were unable to reconnect to the server and received this error. According to our research, this error is mainly caused by network issues or interference from security software like Antivirus. In some cases, it may also happen if the game is outdated or the network is unstable. The first thing we suggest is to restart your PC and router. Simply shut down your computer and unplug your router from the power source. Then wait for a minute, then plug it back in. Once both are restarted, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then make sure your game is up to date. Simply launch the game launcher and check for any available updates. If there are any pending updates, install them and then try launching the game again. If you are using Kaspersky or any other third-party antivirus, try disabling it temporarily. Many users shared that their antivirus was the reason behind the connection issue. So disable it and then check if the error is resolved. If you still have the error, then try connecting your device to a different network, such as a mobile hotspot. This can help you figure out if the problem is with your current network. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.